Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be digging into my eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be replaying with them. So in today's video, I'm going to be replaying with the Revoultion Mini Tasty Avocado palette and the Revolution Pro Ultimate Eye Look palette. What I'm going to do is a part 1 and a part 2. So I'm going to be creating one look with both of these palettes on one eye and creating another look using these two palettes on the other eye. Don't worry, I will still be doing my testing new makeup and first impressions. I will still be doing that, but at the moment I've just got so many eyeshadow palettes which I've only played with like once or twice, and I really want to just go back into my eyeshadow palette and just play around with my eyeshadows more, you know, create different looks. So I'm going to play around with these two eyeshadow palettes and I'm going to show you how I created both of these looks. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to see how I created both of these eye looks, part 1 and part 2, using these two eyeshadow palettes, just keep watching. Okay guys, let's play around with, again, the Revoultion Mini Tasty Avocado palette and the Revoultion Ultimate Eye Look palette in Ocean Treasure. Now, I would do this individually, but there's only 4 colours in the palette, so it just makes sense just to grab another small palette and just merge them together. That way you can use different shimmers, different mattes, you know. You can just mix it up between the both of them. So I'm going to scoot you guys just a little bit closer and we'll create the first eye look. Okay, this is as close as I'm going to be able to get. So the first colour I'm going to play around, I'm going to grab this blue colour again. So this very, like a sky blue colour. And I'm just going to grab it on a angled brush here. And I'm just going to start just applying it above the crease, so we're just going to create a bit of a line with it. Forgot to mention, I got inspired by this eye look by Numa MUA. I think I'm pronouncing her correctly. I'll link her Instagram down below if you want to check her out, but her eye looks are amazing. I think I've mentioned her before on this channel, but oh my gosh, she's so talented. I'm just going to go back in with my flat brush which has concealer on it, and I'm just going to start sharpening around the edges inside the blue line that I created. With this blue eyeshadow, I do feel like I have to go in with it a couple of times just to see the pigmentation. Now that I've sharpened that out, I'm going to go in with this matte green colour, so the avocado colour I should call it. And I'm going to just take another flat brush and I'm just basically just going to fill it in. So pigmented, these mattes. I'm just going to fill the whole lid in with this green. I'm going to grab now this, I would say like a cross between a green and a blue colour. It's like a frosty green. It's really, really pretty. Just going to grab it on an angled brush. And what I'm going to do is very lightly press this on top of that blue so it creates this sort of shimmer. So it just creates like a really pretty shimmery effect. You know when you use like black eyeliner and you use one of the Urban Decay glitter eyeliners on top? That's pretty similar to what this is going to turn out. So I'm just going to start swiping it around. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the kohl pencil. So I'm using the Soap and Glory Crazy Sexy Kohl pencil in black. This was the limited edition one. It's the retractable one, which I believe is not retractable. I think it's just for this limited edition one they made it retractable. So I'm going to place this on the lid and in the waterline. So I can start placing this on the lid. I'm not going to go with too much and just use another angle, just use an angled brush. I'm just going to start blending and smudging it out a bit. I'm now going to grab this colour here, which is the greeny colour. It's like a very shimmery green colour. Just going to grab it on a little pencil brush, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner and on the brow bone. Okay, I'm going to apply some falsies and I'll show you guys the final look. And this is the first eye makeup complete. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Take care.